Hello, my name's Ian Cameron and I'm the International Product Manager for the MEECH Air Technology Division of MEECH International. MEECH Air Technology, MAT, manufactures a range of compressed air products that increase the efficiency of the compressed air delivered at the point of application. In this film, I'm going to cover three products from the MAT range: the energy-saving air nozzle, blowguns and air curtains. MEECH energy-saving nozzles are small, easy to install and designed to save up to 70% of compressed air demand. The MEECH nozzle will also dramatically reduce noise levels when compared to standard air nozzles or open pipes. So, how do they work? The innovative nozzle design forces compressed air through an adjustable circular slot around the base of the nozzle. Air is then directed at high velocity around the outside of the nozzle cone. This design amplifies the compressed air output by entraining ambient air from around the cone. The reason for the entrainment of ambient air is down to a natural occurring phenomenon called the Coanda effect. Basically put, this is where a jet air flow attaches itself to a nearby surface and remains attached even when the surface curves away from the initial jet direction. The energy efficiency comes from the increased airflow you achieve by utilising the compressed air. The energy-saving nozzle entrains air at ratios of 25:1, meaning the MEECH nozzle produces outlet flows up to 25 times the compressed air consumption. This leads to an overall reduction in plant's compressed air usage, which in turn leads to a total reduction in energy consumption and running costs. The second key feature of the energy-saving nozzle is noise reduction. Typically, workplace noise is generated by machinery tools and compressed air. Therefore, if you can reduce the compressed air noise by just a few decibels, you can make a big difference. For example, a 3 decibel increase in noise level is virtually undetectable to the human ear, but in reality, a 3 decibel increase doubles the total noise level. All MEECH products, including the air nozzles, fall below the UK health and safety noise limit. As this chart shows, the energy-saving air nozzles, when set to 80 psi, have a noise level of just 78 decibels, 7 decibels below the hearing protection threshold. This compares favourably to a 6mm open compressed air pipe, which has a sound level of around 103 decibels, 18 decibels above the threshold. MEECH energy-saving nozzles are also fully adjustable. By simply unscrewing the grub screw located in the end of the cone, you can open or close the circular slot air is released from. This controls the airflow and consumption, making the nozzle suitable for a wide range of applications. In addition, the nozzles have no moving parts, making them very reliable and maintenance-free. They are also easy to install and manufactured in stainless steel and aluminium. MEECH nozzles are also available in 2 thread sizes, 1/4 and 1/8 of an inch BSP. MEECH energy-saving nozzles offer a real saving in air consumption. Here we show a 1/4 inch open pipe and a MEECH nozzle both running at 80 psi. As can be seen, the air consumption drops significantly when a MEECH nozzle is used. Probably the most amazing thing about the whole MAT range, including the energy-saving air nozzle, is that for a relatively small investment, they can make a significant saving in a company's annual running costs. For example, a company using 5 1/4 inch open air pipes running at 80 psi for 16 hours a day, 5 days a week and 48 weeks a year will consume a total of 465 CFM, about 93 CFM per pipe. Based on electricity costs of 8p per kilowatt hour, these 5 pipes will cost approximately £26,800 per year to run. By simply installing MEECH energy-saving nozzles, the company will reduce the air consumption to a total of just 75 CFM, about 15 CFM per pipe saving, a massive 84%, and reducing running costs annually to just £4,300, which in real terms gives a saving of around £22,500 per year. What's even more staggering is a bag of 5 aluminium nozzles cost under £100. The standard energy-saving nozzle can also be combined with an ergonomic blowgun handle. This forms the MEECH energy-saving blowgun. The energy-saving blowgun offers the same energy and cost savings as the nozzle, but with the added benefit of being handheld. The energy-saving blowgun is manufactured from lightweight aluminium, making it far more hard-wearing than more traditional plastic blowguns. The gun handle is also compatible with both the aluminium and stainless steel air saver nozzle. The MEECH air curtain provides an efficient blade of air for wide area blow-off applications. They are traditionally used to replace drilled or slotted lengths of pipe, which consume vast volumes of compressed air and don't give 100% coverage of the target. MEECH air curtains work using the same Coanda effect as the air nozzle. Air is released through a 0.508mm slot that runs the entire length of the air curtain. The blade of air then follows the curved face and travels down the air curtain. This airflow creates an area of low pressure behind the blade of air, which entrains ambient air and delivers a massive airflow to the front of the target. Like the MEECH air saver nozzle, the MEECH air curtains entrain ambient air at ratios of 25:1. Air curtains offer compressed air savings in excess of 70%, which in turn leads to a total reduction in energy consumption and running costs. Here we show a 300mm piece of brass pipe with 11 2mm holes cut into it, and a 300mm air curtain. Both consume similar amounts of air. However, the force of air from the air curtain is far greater. This means a lower pressure of air is needed to achieve the same results. To put this into a practical example, if a 300mm piece of pipe with the drilled holes was used in industrial application and run constantly for 24 hours a day, 5 days a week and 48 weeks a year, it will cost, with electricity costs of 8p per kilowatt hour, approximately £8,800 per year to run. In comparison, a MEECH 300mm air curtain will consume only 52 CFM, saving 50 CFM and costing £4,500 a year to run. A staggering saving of £4,300 every year. However, the cost savings are not the only feature of the air curtain. The unique design means you get a consistent blade of air across the entire length of the air curtain. A brass pipe with drilled holes will not be able to offer the same consistent blade of air. Again, like the MEECH energy saving nozzles, the MEECH air curtains also reduce noise levels. A 300mm air curtain will have a sound level of approximately 75 decibels. A 300mm piece of brass pipe will have a sound level of around 80 decibels. MEECH air curtains are made of three main components: the body, the cap and the shim. There are no moving parts. This makes the air curtain not only hard wearing but very easy to maintain and install. It also means MEECH can supply the air curtain in a wide variety of different lengths. In fact, as well as the 10 standard stock lengths of air curtain, MEECH can manufacture any special length of air curtain ranging from 50 to 2000mm. This makes the MEECH air curtain suitable for a wide variety of applications. Compressed air is used in over 90% of all UK manufacturing and in virtually every manufacturing industry globally. There are literally hundreds of different applications MET products are used in. However, there are a few general applications that suit the air nozzles, blowguns and air curtains. In the simplest form, MEECH energy saving nozzles can be used to replace open pipes, for example to blow swarf from items during the production process. Nozzles can also be used to remove water from products. MEECH air curtains, on the other hand, are used far more in wide area blow-off applications or in applications that require a complete blade of air, for example to blow water from bottles or to remove waste from a conveyor. To summarise, MEECH air nozzles, blowguns and air curtains offer many features and benefits over other solutions. These include: MET products reduce consumption by 70%. MET products will reduce the noise level of the compressed air system. MET products can be set at different levels, allowing application-specific setup. MEECH manufacture in stainless steel, aluminium and hard anodised materials and offer a variety of different thread types. All MEECH products feature inbuilt safety features. This makes the MET products all hard wearing with little or no maintenance needed. Thank you for spending the time to watch this presentation. Please do not hesitate to visit our website for further information on any of our MEECH products.